Okay, just a peek.
Big promise, my friend. Today I'm giving you a 100% free AI tool. Yes, you heard that right. Today we're going to use a completely free method to create viral videos. So guys, take a look at your screen. These are some of the most popular cartoon-style videos. You've probably watched similar cartoons in your childhood, and now they're trending again on YouTube and TikTok. And today, we're going to create this exact type of video using AI for free. So don't skip this video. Now let me show you something interesting. There are channels out there getting millions of views every single month. Yes, millions. And the crazy part? They're all using the same cartoon-style character in every video. No changes, no redesign, just pure consistency. And that is the real secret. Because when your character stays consistent, people start recognizing it. They remember it, they connect with it, and that's what builds a viral channel. So the point is simple. People are earning, and you can too. You don't need expensive tools, you don't need a big team. All you need is the right strategy and a little effort. And one more thing, don't rely 100% on AI. Add your own touch, maybe some editing, a bit of voiceover, or simple effects. That's what helps you grow faster and get monetized quicker. Now, without wasting time, let's start. So guys, I've already prepared an Opti all-in-one master prompt huts for you. It includes everything: character consistency, visual style, scene structure, and complete output format. You'll find the link in the description. Just copy it. Then open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. That's it. ChatGPT will instantly create your full video structure, scene by scene. Each scene includes title, visual description, video prompt, and voiceover. Everything is ready for you. As you can see, all scenes are generated perfectly with consistent style. So don't skip this video, because now I'm about to show you a powerful free AI tool that lets you generate unlimited videos. Yes, unlimited. And I'm making a big promise. This tool is completely free, so without wasting time, let's move to the tool.
Now let's move to the website. I've added the link in the description. Once you open it, you'll find access to your Gemini Enterprise. At the moment, it offers a limited time free trial, so you can test everything without paying. And don't worry, you won't need to enter any card details. I'll show you a simple method to activate it easily. Just make sure you watch till the end. First, open the link from the description. When the page loads, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click on it. After clicking, a new page will appear showing different plans. In one of the options, you'll find the trial access. Select that. Now you'll land on a welcome screen for the platform. Here, it will ask for an email address. Instead of using your personal email, you can use a temporary email for quick access. So open any temporary email service you like. Copy the generated email, go back to the platform, paste it in, and click Continue. Next, you'll receive a verification code. Go back to your temp email inbox, copy the code, return to the platform, paste it, and click Verify. And just like that, you're inside. Now it may ask for your name. You can enter anything, even your channel name. Click Continue. Within a few seconds, your trial access will be activated. You'll also see a confirmation showing that your trial has started. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll notice multiple tools available. Let me guide you through the important ones. Go to the Settings section. Here you'll find two powerful features. First, Image Generation Tool, which lets you create visuals easily. Video Generation Tool, which allows you to generate AI videos. During the trial period, you can experiment and create multiple videos and images. Now that you're logged in, if you're finding value so far, a like, subscribe, or comment really helps. Now let's get to the main part, creating your video. Inside the tool, you'll see an option to input your prompt. You can also upload a reference image if needed. Next, select the video generation model. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first scene, come back here, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. One important thing to remember: if your prompt isn't properly structured or safe, the system might reject it. If that happens, simply go back to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite your prompt in a safe format. Then copy the updated version, paste it again, and click Generate. Now your video will start processing. It usually takes around 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the scene. And just like that, your video is ready.
Wait. What was that?
Preview it. You'll notice it looks clean, smooth, and engaging. The animation style feels polished, and the overall result is surprisingly good.
Wait.
Now simply click Download, and your video is ready to use. Let me show you quickly again. Copy your next scene, paste it, click Generate, and the next video starts processing. Within seconds, it will be ready as well.
Should I open it?
Repeat this process for all your scenes. That's how you can create multiple videos, quickly, efficiently, and with consistent quality. And that's it.
Should I?
You now have a complete system to
open it?
generate engaging videos using AI, step by step. So as you can see, the videos are being generated one after another. Now, some people often say that after creating 10 or 12 videos, the tool starts slowing down or stops working. Let me clarify this properly. You should never try to generate everything at once. For example, if you create around 5 to 7 videos, then pause for a while.
Just a peek.
Give it at least 30 minutes to an hour before starting again. If you keep generating videos continuously without any break, the system can get overloaded. And when that happens, you might face errors or temporary limits on your account. So the smarter approach is simple. Create a few videos, take a short break, then continue again. Follow this cycle, and your workflow will stay smooth throughout the entire trial period. Now, as you can see, everything is working perfectly step by step. At this point, your goal is to stay consistent. Create the same type of cartoon-style content regularly. But here's an important tip. Try to focus more on long-form videos instead of just shorts, because long videos usually generate better revenue potential. So it's a smart move if you want to maximize your earnings. Now you've seen the full process, from generating scenes to creating videos. All you need to do is follow the same method consistently. Create your channel, upload your videos, and stay regular. That's how growth happens. I hope you found this free AI method helpful. If you did, make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like the video. Also, let me know what topic you want next.